What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Derek Hallman Motovlog channel. We met a nice guy named PJ today who graciously offered to let me ride his, I think it's a 2023 KX450SR edition. You know, it's got the full pro circuit pipe, the X-Trig clamps. I don't know if it has a kit suspension, but the like upgraded factory suspension or something. It looks like an absolute wicked bike. I've ridden KX450s before, but not the SR edition. I'm really excited to see how this thing feels out there, and I'm really appreciative that he is going to let me take this thing for a spin. Ooh, nice and easy. So on a big 450 like this, I got to be extra careful, and it's on a guy's bike that I literally just met him like 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to be extra careful out there. Oh shit! Oh yeah. Oh, she's loud, dude. She barks. Oh, torquey. What you got, bro? Oh. Like I said, got to be careful with the throttle on this really dry track. Like as I'm going down this downhill, I can feel myself drifting. Dude, the 450's effortless. It's got so much freaking power, it's effortless. That fancy suspension's feeling good so far. Oh, a little OJ, but no problem, soaked it up. Oh, there's snakes all over the track today. All through these straightaways, I keep seeing these little black snakes. The suspension's definitely a little stiff, but it's like, oh, it feels good stiff. Like it feels like that initial compression is pretty nice. Oh. I rode a regular KX450 a long time ago. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to compare it to a stock one, because I don't really remember what that bike felt like. Ooh! Holy shit, the torque is insane! I thought I was going to taste that, just grabbed a handful. Wow! It's got surprisingly good traction. Like it's so fast and torquey that you'd think you'd be losing traction because of the wheel spin. But if you keep this thing really smooth with the throttle, it just lugs around so nice. Oh, bro, I always do that in that stupid ass corner. But I gotta say, being able to just lug third gear, like pretty much everywhere, is pretty great. That makes it like an easy, lazy man's bike to ride, which I feel like is the reason a lot of vet guys get 450s. But it's kind of counterintuitive. You can be lazy to a degree, but if you want to use the throttle, hold the f on, bro, because it goes. So easy to overdrop. This thing has too much power for certain tracks like this. jumping that thing, and this suspension's handling it like a dream. This one I gotta slow down a little bit. Too much power can be a bad thing in certain situations if you're not in control of it. Just gotta be really careful with that throttle at all times on this bike. Like I can feel it wanting to pull the front wheel up, and I gotta hold on to those bars so tight. Whoa! Dude, I feel like I would really like a 450 sometimes. Like I barely had to rev it coming out of that corner, and it just pulls you so nice. Like I think the low end grunt on my YZ250F is good. A 450 is just a monster. I like how the front end feels on this thing, super stable. Wants to go straight as an arrow. This is one of those 450s that I actually really like the sound of it, the grunt. It sounds really nice and grunty. That pro circuit pipe sounds really damn good. Dude, just a couple laps in, I feel like I've done 4 or 5 laps. My arms are so tired from holding on to this thing when I get hard on the throttle. Trust me, people, I'm trying to squeeze as hard as I can with my legs. Easier said than done. Dude. Oh, shit. Damn 450 stalling them. Crap. Dude, and it's heavy as shit. It's so heavy. I really tried to save it. I tried so hard. No scratchies, please. They stall out easier than the smaller bikes. And they're heavy as crap when you're lifting that front wheel up. When you're on banked corners, they're heavy as crap to try and hold up. To this damn 450 anymore, man. She's a beast. I love the feeling. I love the power of it. It handles really nice. 450 is just always a lot when your arms get tired, and man, my arms get tired fast on this beast. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please leave a thumbs up. If you got a comment, positive or negative, head on down to the basement and I'll see your comments there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.